Hello Tutor LMS users. Do you want to deduct marks on every wrong answer or skipped question? If so, here is a piece of good news for you. We have just released a new plugin, Tutor LMS Negative Marking, that allows course creators to set automatic deduction of marks for every wrong answer, as well as skipped questions. Let us see how it works. The first step, obviously, is to install our premium plugin Tutor LMS Negative Marking plugin. After installing this plugin, you will see the negative marking quiz settings menu in the admin dashboard. If you click on the negative marking on the admin sidebar, you can set negative marking for all courses, globally, both for incorrect answers as well as skipped questions out of quizzes. If you want to enable negative marking to a specific course, and not globally, that can be done on the course page itself. Once you set everything, let us check how negative marks are applied when a user attempts a quiz question, both for incorrect and skipped questions. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have learned some valuable information. We will see you in the next Tutor LMS videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more updates on Tutor LMS.